In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to add an outline to the media database. Basically, adding an outline is just like adding a song or any other AV item to your media database. Simply start by clicking on the Add button, and that will bring up our Add Media Item screen where we can choose a prefix code. In this case, I've already used OT for outlines in the past, so I'm going to go ahead and skip through that. Go to the next number. If I skip through this field, it'll just give me the next number in the OT series. And in this case, it's going to be an outline, so we'll drop that down and we'll add this to our media database. And of course, I can start by giving this a title, call it this my first outline, and we can come down here and we'll just say this is my first point, my second point, and my third point. Now you'll see, obviously we start with point 0 and go up to point 9. That's basically so that we can use the number keys on the keyboard if we do want to access these interactively just by pressing a key on the keyboard. So we actually do start with point 0, and we're going to have to go over here and build our screen order, and we'll put point 0 up there at the beginning, and we'll add point 2 here. So we go point 0, point 1, point 2, and we'll save that. Now if we wanted to, we can add copyright information here. For instance, if this were a series of scripture verses, you could put King James Version in the copyright area, or NIV, and that of course would show up at the bottom of the screen. Might be one way of adding those kinds of things into it. You can also put comments in here. If there's something that would help you remember how to find this point, or a series of outlines, you could put that same comment in this field, and that would help you to search for it later. Now you can add a second language to this, so if you had a matching Spanish version of this that you wanted to be able to show on screen, you would type in the second language information here. And again, if you wanted to use this with scripture, one of the ways you can use that second language is by having, for instance, the King James Version in the English fields and having an NIV version in the second language fields. That would give you that ability to have both of those things on screen. So that's how easy it is to just add an outline to Instant Song Presenter.